It's been a little while, but let's go ahead and pick back up where we left off on the 1950 model Dodge Convertible, and we're picking up on how to replace your fender studs using bolts. Okay, on this 50 model Dodge, it originally had studs like this that stuck through the fender. They're 5/16 24, so 24 threads per inch. I'm going to be putting some grade 8 fasteners in here. We're going to clip the top of the fasteners off and then flip the fasteners and put those in with some red Loctite. That'll lock them in place. It'll be just like the original configuration. Probably could have ordered some studs, but this will serve the purpose of if you have something like this on your ride, this is what you can do. I'm going to set the time lapse and walk you guys through it. Okay, so I put the bolts in, I went and cut it off. I put 2 nuts on here to back it out of the hole. Now with the end that's cut off, I'm gonna put that in back into the fender. So we have the nice nurdle and clean edge here for applying our fasteners to. I'm gonna go grab some red Loctite and we'll lock those in there and then they should be good to go. Just gonna apply a little bit of Loctite right there on the threads. It doesn't take much. Now I'll just turn these in there until they stop. It takes about 20 minutes for this stuff to set up and then it'll be stiff enough for reinstallation. If you are planning on really torquing these, then it says 24 hours. Now the only reason I'm doing this is because these fenders originally had studs in them. Now they will be removable, but you'll have to apply some heat to them to get them out, or an impact, I guess. But these should never be removed, so the one that's in there is not coming out, so these should be good. All right, Loctite on there on both of them. Just run them down in here. Good portion about Loctite is you get plenty of working time. Now there's a slot on the back side of this fender. I'm just going to slide my finger under here just to make sure I got the stud all the way in. Good. All right. Now that those are on there, I'm going to take our 2 wrenches and loosen up our lock nuts. These are just homemade lock nuts. Essentially, if you take 2 wrenches and bind them against each other, then you can break them loose and take them off. The binding creates a lock on the stud or the bolt to where the nuts are forced against each other, and then you can tighten and loosen the nut, or the stud in this case. There we go. That one took a little muscle. Maybe I'll get that one from the side. Alright, that's how you install new studs on a fender using bolts, or on anything using bolts. You can take the bolt in, cut the head of the bolt off, and then flip the bolt over, and then you got a nice clean stud. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, not too bad. Really just takes a cut-off wheel a couple wrenches, and some Loctite. Doesn't get much easier than that. If you're interested in more videos about this process or the process of working on the 1950 model Dodge, click up at the top of the screen. My name's Erwin. This tour was in a block. We're giving back the time. It's taken away. We'll see you soon.